How to buy or sell stock on DEGIRO. Follow my instructions. If you're new to DEGIRO and want to start trading stocks, buying and selling is simple once you know where to tap. Let me show you how it works step by step. First, open the DEGIRO app and log into your account. Make sure your account is funded. To add money, just tap the menu. Select Deposit Funds and follow the steps to transfer from your bank. Once your balance updates, you're ready to buy. Now tap the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Type the company name or stock ticker like Apple or AAPL. Tap the result to open the stock page. Here you'll see the chart, price, and basic info. Tap the buy button. Enter how many shares you want. Choose your order type. Market for instant or limit to set a price. Tap confirm to place your buy order. To sell a stock, go to your portfolio tab. Tap on the stock you want to sell. Tap the sell button. Enter number of shares and order type. Then tap confirm. Your order will show up under the orders tab. Once executed, your portfolio updates. That's how you buy and sell stocks on DEGIRO in 2025. Thanks for watching.